So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bitag. Makikita po ninyo yung nagawang way ngayon dito.
Ganda ko, diba? Napakaganda.
Anong masasabi mo, madam? Kasi parang
Okay.
parang medyo wala nang napuputol na kahoy. Naging clear na siya.
Nagiging green na siya. Look around po tayo. Look around. Yan.
Gumaganda siya guys kasi noong hindi pa nakaupo bilang mayor si
Yan garaw Baggao mo.
Madam Mayor, lahat niyan nung ban
Yeah.
nawawala yung mga puno diyan.
Dito ka.
So,
Diba?
ganda.
Yan.
So,
Okay.
ayan.
At the back you would see the area. Ito po yung Tanangginat area. We call it Tanangginat area. This area is included in our tourism development plan to be developed for ecotourism site. Ang balak po natin gawin dito ay gawin siyang parang three-part. Over this area here, you would see soon, hopefully, ma-revive natin yung isang waterfalls po dyan. Meron po tayong isang waterfalls dyan na hindi niya masyadong napapansin kapag ganitong hindi umuulan. But during rainy season and during time na wet season, meron po yung waterfalls dyan and hopefully we could revive and put it back. That's why we already started planting so many trees around here. Last week, we tried to plant more bamboos, nara trees, and other tubig trees all over this place in celebration of our season of creation. I wanted to bring you here because we wanted you to see and know that Baggao ay really pushing more for everyone to keep on planting and to be serious in our greening activities. Kung bakit, this is the reason why we wanted to continue to push on our 1 billion tree planting, Baggao billion tree planting and growing project. In fact, we are about to celebrate 1 year, our first year anniversary for our billion tree planting and growing project. Nakikita na po natin ngayon, marami na po akong babalitaan na good impression regarding the effects of our 1 billion tree planting and growing project. Lumamig po ang climate ng Baggao. In fact, ramdam po ng karamihan. Hindi katulad noon na ang climate ng Baggao ay sobrang mainit, exhausting. Pag ganitong umaraw, ang pakiramdam natin sunog ang balat, pawis tayo, sobrang mainit. Ngayon po, marami akong i-interview na mga bisita natin from other places. Pag tinanong ko sila, bakit gusto nyo dito sa Baggao, bakit gusto nyo mag-stay dito, napaka-cool na daw po ang climate dito compared sa city, compared sa mga maiinit na lugar like Davao. One guest that I just tried to interview a week ago, sabi niya, masaya mag-stay dito, masarap mag-stay dito, Mayor, kasi ang lamig ng panahon, hindi katulad sa amin sa Davao. And another was from Baggao. Imagine, one from Baggao, who happens to be a place with a very cool climate, is telling us na Baggao is trying to beat yung good climate or cold climate that they are experiencing in Baggao for the past years. Very cold. And ito po yung epekto ng pagtatanim natin actually. Alam natin na ang trees is equivalent to kung gaano magpalamig ang generator, ang air condition units natin. Hindi ako magkamali, 4 times or 5 times ang magiging katumbas niyan sa lamig kapag tayo magtanim ng puno. Palalamigin po niya ang surroundings natin. Palalamigin niya ang climate natin. Not only that, definitely, I tell you, once we keep on planting, magtanim lang tayo ng magtanim, marami tayong punong ikakat para hindi tayo mamroblema ng ating timber production. Yan ang lagi kong sinasabi. Hindi ako nagbabawal magputol ng kahoy. Pero first things first, magtanim muna tayo para meron tayong puputulin. Huwag na nating hayaang yung mga naturally growing lang na tree ang kaya natin putulin o hayaang ang sigad lang ang magtatanim para sa atin. If we wanted to build a house, we need lumbers, we need timbers, we have to plant first. Magtanim muna tayo. Ayusin natin ang sarili natin. Kailangan natin ng kahoy para may pambahay tayo, may panggatong, meron tayong gagamitin. Then, plant trees. Bago tayo mag-cut, bago natin to i-harvest. 3 years, 4 years, kaya na po natin mag-produce ng napakaraming puno, napakaraming timber. Baka kaya pa natin gawing ang Baggao ay babalik ulit doon sa kasikatang sa atin galing ang mga punong kahoy o mga lumbers na ibinebenta palabas ng Baggao. I wanted that to happen. That is the reason why I'm floating and I am proposing and I am promoting the Baggao Billion Tree Planting and Growing Project. Let it be that we will sustain the trees that we have in Baggao. And ito will be for surely magiging livelihood project ng isang napakalaking livelihood project ng karamihan sa atin. Knowing more na ang Baggao ay isang furniture producing municipality. Anong gagawin natin sa furniture shops natin kung di tayo magtanim ng puno? Kailangan magtanim ng puno. Kailangan mag-plant tayo ng maraming gimelina, maraming ipil, maraming mahogany. Nang sa ganon, maraming bamboo. Especially ang bamboo kasi ang bamboo po ang isang alternative na natin ngayon sa ating mga furniture making industry, furniture industry. So, I still continue and I will never stop promoting the Baggao Billion Tree Planting and Growing Project. It will be helping a lot, if not all of us. It will make our place safe, very much safe from any calamities, natural calamities that may come up. So again, my fellow Baggaoeños, huwag sana tayong mawalan ng gana o mawalan ng hope na ito maitatanim natin, hindi na natin matitikman ng bunga. Ito mga gagawin natin, hindi natin ito mapapakibagan. No, I don't think so. In fact, what we have planted and what we have done for the past year, for 1 year, we are now experiencing yung epekto niya, the green climate, the cool climate. We are now experiencing it here in Baggao, I tell you. So, let's continue, let's promote this. Tuloy lang po natin. Pagkaisa tayo, kaya natin ito. Tayong lahat Baggao. Garaw, Baggao.
Yes! Yes to billion tree sa Baggao.
Ayan. Kaway dyan. Ayan. So, this is the parade, part of the parade. Napakaganda. That portion na walang puno ay ongoing po natin tinatamnan ngayon ng maraming bamboo.
Dati-rati kalbuyan talaga.
Opo, pero ngayon, may nakaplant na po dyan ng mga bamboo seedlings. In 3 years, 5 years, makikita nyo na po na may mga mabubuhay na at mag-grow na po dyan ng mga bamboo poles na rin, bamboo trees na. Ayan.
Ayan po yung explanation ng ating mayor dito sa Baggao. So guys, sa mga kabataan, sa mga nakatira dito sa bayan ng Baggao, tulong-tulong tayo. Ayan, dapat meron tayong pagkakaintindi sa bawat isa. Ayan. Malaking tulong po yung may tutulong natin kay Mayor Joan, cabildo Dunuan. So guys, thank you very much.
Okay. Over na, go. 5 minutes. Mauna ako. Mauna ako.
So, yun.
Oh, my phone. And my other phone.